Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Valorant Error Code Van 152. We restarted our computer to resolve the Van 152 problem when it initially appeared in Valorant. If it doesn't help, we advise resetting your router because this error may appear due to poor local connectivity. You may also quickly solve this by going to Riot's support page. To do that, you have to go to the site, scroll down, and click this useful error codes. Tap this one, and then here beside error codes in Valorant, you just have to scroll down till you see the number 152. So tap this one. And as you can see here, if we read this side, it says HWID ban, that is your hardware ban. This is hardware ban, which typically lasts 4 months. Please submit a ticket at the bottom of the page if you have further questions. So the least thing we can do here is to scroll down and look for submit a ticket. Okay, click this submit a ticket. Okay, so once you click this one, it will take you directly to the site in which you have to provide some information here. So submit a ticket. I choose a request type of technical issue, install patch, lag, or crashes. Okay, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. So here it is. For subject, you just have to type here error code, then 152 or error code 152. And then here you just have to skip for description first. Let's go to please select the technical issue you're experiencing. Seeing a message with an error code. Okay, and then where does this issue occur? Whenever I log in or sign in. Where did the issue start happening? When it started. Okay, so actually you can add some files below. Okay, attach a proof that you are experiencing a lag or crashes or problem. So here in description, you just have to type here, hello, can you please unban my hardware in Valorant? Thank you. And then here you just have to type your HWID. Okay, so you can provide or you must provide your HWID here. So maybe you're asking, what is HWID and how to find that? Okay, so actually, that is very easy to find. All you have to do is to simply go to the search bar below and then look for a device manager. Okay, control panel device manager. And then here you just have to type your computer, or let's just say if the game is here, something like that. All you have to do is to tap that. And then here in details, when you tap this details, you have to go to property and look for hardware IDs. Once you tap that, then you can see here your hardware ID. And that is what your HWID is. Okay, and that's how you find it. That's how you locate it. So you just have to copy that one and then go back to the site and paste and then submit and wait for the customer service team to respond and instruct you what we're going to do to fix this error code then 152. I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.